In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect some hole saws to your Black & Decker impact driver. Now, you'll find that hole saws come in various different shapes and sizes, and they all have a different shank on the end. So this has a triangular shank here. This is a large hex shank. And then we also have our hole saw here with a hex shank with this little notch out right around the end here. Now, it's only this type of hole saw that you can connect up directly to your impact driver. But I'll show you another way you can connect your old saws up in just a moment. So pull the collar forward in your impact driver, insert your hole saw as you normally would by installing a driver bit. So again, pull the collar forward to remove. Now we're going to show you how you can insert your old hole saw bits or any particular bits you've got lying around into your Black & Decker impact driver. So the only way to do this is to pick yourself up one of these adapters. So this adapter has a hex shank on the end with our notch out, which I've shown previously. That'll fit into your impact driver, and it instantly converts it into a regular drill chuck. So this will now accommodate any of your hole saws or drill bits or even spade bits you've got lying around, so you can use them in your Black & Decker impact driver. So now we can take our regular hole saw, put it in the chuck of our drill, and now you're good to start drilling holes using a hole saw in your impact driver. If you found any of the products useful, we've attached a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.